Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Silent Hill F ultra low PC settings for very weak PCs. I show you guys how to do that settings. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and copy all these text. Then go to File Explorer, C drive, search folder, username. If you don't know where is the name, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see where is the name, and then just double click on it. And check the view option over here and select show and check mark this hidden items so that this app data folder will be visible, and then double click on it, double click on the local and find yes HF folder, double click on the SHF folder, saved config, Windows folder, right click on the game user settings and select open with and notepad and paste the text we copied. After pasting it, select the file and select save option. After saving it, just right click and check go to properties and check mark this read only option and select the plain OK so that the settings won't it be changed. Just launch the game. Now just press the escape key and go to options and go to graphics, and the setting all be changed for the low end PC. Now you can enjoy the game guys. Don't forget the bell guys. Thank you.